This is a walkthrough for anyone that's having issues setting up the MySQL database for the UAS2 emulator. Download the files in the links below and we'll get started. Just to keep things organized, I've put everything into a single folder under the C drive. First, you'll want to install the ODBC driver. This will allow applications to connect to your MySQL database. You can use the typical install unless you would prefer to install it into a different directory. Okay, next you'll want to extract the standalone MySQL server, and inside there should be a MySQL start.bat file. When you run that, it should open two command windows. The first one is just for the creation of it. The second one will already put you into a Z drive, unless you had a Z drive previously mapped. From here we'll type in MySQL -u for user, and that user is root -p, and so now it should ask you for your password, which is also root. And now this will take you to the MySQL console here. This step is for anyone that's previously set up the database here. So we'll drop our previous attempt here, drop database UAS2 semicolon. And so now we'll actually create a database now, UAS2 as well. And now we'll want to use that database we created. And now we'll type source. If you can find where the UAS2 SQL file is, you can copy the path from there. And then just right click in the terminal to paste it there. This command doesn't need a semicolon after it. And if everything went okay, all those commands should say okay. And then you can type quit. So your database is set up now. You'll want to copy the server execute and paste it into the same folder that contains your portal.dat file. And from there you'll want to run your server. The settings, you'll want to make sure that it's on MySQL, of course, and set the database IP to your local host. This one can actually be 127.0.0.1. The username is root, the password is root, and then the database name should be UAS2. So you should be able to start the server now. This will pop up a ODBC connection. The standalone server actually uses a different port than normal SQL servers. It actually uses 3311. That'll be the only thing you'll need to change there. If you'd like to test, you can hit the test button and it'll confirm if it's successful. So when you hit OK, the rest of the server should finish loading there and you'll be ready to connect.